Hey Cooks, we're back with additional storage. Hey Cooks, we upgraded our memory. We have a new 4 terabyte portable hard drive. I know what you're thinking. Why so much space? Well, because I need space for all my recipes. I know I spilled sauce on a recipe or two. It's nice to have a backup if needed. Plus, it's nice having a backup of those family barbecue photos or wedding cakes. Perhaps even a birthday party or two. And I don't mind not carrying around a bunch of photo albums with me. And I can always take a quick picture of my recipe so I don't have to retype it. It makes life a bit easier. Well, thank you for watching. I'll leave an affiliate link below in case you're interested in anything I reviewed today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell your friends. And stay tuned for another episode of Hey Cooks!